Welcome back to The Future Files, where we delve into the exciting realms of science and technology. Today, we embark on a journey into the cutting-edge fields of biotechnology and bioinformatics, uncovering breakthroughs in DNA sequencing, gene editing, and their applications in biomedical research and healthcare. Join me as we explore the frontiers of these fields and unlock the incredible potential they hold for the future. Segment 1. The Power of DNA Sequencing. Our journey begins with DNA sequencing, a process that allows us to unravel the genetic code within every living organism. Thanks to advancements in technology, this field has experienced remarkable progress. Techniques like next-generation sequencing, NGS, now enable us to decode billions of DNA fragments swiftly, accurately, and with unprecedented accessibility. The secrets hidden within our DNA are now within our grasp. Segment 2. Unleashing the potential of gene editing. As we venture deeper into the world of biotechnology, we encounter the revolutionary technique of gene editing. One of the most transformative tools in this field is CRISPR-Cas9, acting like molecular scissors that enable scientists to precisely edit genes. With this breakthrough technology, we have the power to correct faulty genes and pave the way for personalized medicine, revolutionizing the treatment of genetic diseases. Segment 3. Applications in biomedical research. The advancements in DNA sequencing and gene editing have opened up new horizons in biomedical research. Scientists can now study the genetic basis of diseases with unparalleled precision, unraveling the intricate interactions between genes and diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and diabetes. This deeper understanding helps in developing targeted therapies, improving diagnostics, and even predicting disease susceptibility. Segment 4. Transforming healthcare. Biotechnology and bioinformatics have also made their mark in clinical practice, transforming the healthcare landscape. By analyzing an individual's genetic profile, doctors can now tailor treatments to specific genetic variations, offering personalized healthcare. Additionally, genetic screening and counseling have become vital tools in identifying inherited diseases and providing guidance to individuals and families. Segment 5. Ethical considerations and future prospects. As we embrace the remarkable potential of biotechnology and bioinformatics, it is important to consider the ethical implications. The power to manipulate genes raises important questions about privacy, consent, and the boundaries of scientific intervention. It is our responsibility to navigate these uncharted territories with care, ensuring that we adhere to responsible and ethical practices. Our journey into the frontiers of biotechnology and bioinformatics has shown us the immense power and potential of DNA sequencing and gene editing. From unraveling the secrets of life to revolutionizing healthcare, these fields hold the key to a future where precision medicine and personalized treatments become the norm. Remember, the future is within our grasp, and together, we can unlock its endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us today on The Future Files, as we explored the captivating world of biotechnology and bioinformatics. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on the future of science and technology. Your support encourages us to keep exploring the frontiers of knowledge.